Are you stuck up there?
No, I'm just hanging out, enjoying my afternoon.
Are you stuck?
No, I'm just enjoying my afternoon break, hanging out.
Oh, I wish I had an afternoon break. After this, I have to go walk my dogs and then go feed my fish, and then I have to go back to work.
Wait, you know you can rest, right? That's the whole point of Thrival Mode.
What's Thrival Mode?
Give me a second. Stick the landing. Let's go. Thrival Mode is a healing philosophy and a lifestyle practice inspired by the understanding that women are in survival mode constantly and need a way to break through it. What happens when we experience stress? A cascade of hormones creates the environment that helps keep us alive in what we call fight or flight. Growing up, I found out that I was living in that state my entire life. And once I started taking clients as a dietitian, I noticed that I wasn't alone in this, and that all of my clients who were dealing with gut issues, hormonal imbalances, even autoimmune disorders, were all experiencing some type of chronic stress and inflammation. And the problem is, when that manifests for too long consistently, it impacts our physical and mental well-being and even our spiritual well-being. It keeps us from being able to hear God, see Him move in our lives, and ultimately showing us our purpose.
So what is the solution?
I'm glad you asked. The solution is to make the decision to heal and recognize that we're not meant to do it alone. And that's why I created this community. Our bodies were designed to heal themselves when given the right environment and tools. And together, we're gonna grow in our faith, learn, heal, thrive, and live life more abundantly. So, will you join me?
That actually sounds really nice. I think I'm gonna stay here for a little while. It's actually really beautiful.